Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. I'm Prashant and today I have developed a project which is a Java project, JavaScript project that is Tic Tac Toe game. I already made this game earlier but I have made right now in a new way. So I have made this project you can say Tic Tac Toe game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this video we will create in this game and we'll use validation check to implement the game features. The UI is designed using CSS so it is easy to create, and in this game player 1 starts playing the game and both players make their moves in consecutive terms. The player who makes straight 3 block chain wins the game, and the game is built on the front end using simple logic and validation checks only. So firstly I'll dwell into the coding part. Just a minute. Yes, so this is the coding one, and yes, so I've made this index.html file which contains the structure of the project. Then this is the CSS file for styling of this application, and this is the file. This is the JavaScript file which is contains the logic of the game. So yes, this okay. I think there's an error. Just a minute. Yes. So yes, this project is a simple implementation of classic tic-tac-toe game, also known as the nought and crosses. It allows two players to take turns marking space in 3 into 3 grid with their respective symbols X and O. And I think there is a problem in it to reset. Okay, yes. Talking about the features of this game, it is an interactive grid. The game board consists of 3 into 3 grid created using HTML division element, and each cell is clickable. As you can see, each cell is clickable, and it will display the current player symbols when clicked. And the game keeps track of the current player turns and switches between X and O, as you can already see. Winning logic. Talking about the winning logic, the game checks for winning condition after each move, and if a player gets three of their symbol in a horizontal, like this one, sorry, like the horizontal this one, and the vertical this one, and the diagonal this one, they will win the game. There is also a draw condition. If all the cells are filled and no player has won, then the game declares a draw. Also, I have this reset button. So this button allows players to reset the game board and start a new game. Talking about the styling of this part, it is a responsive design. The game board is styled with CSS to be responsive and visually appealing, and each cell has its cell is clickable, and the symbols are centered within the cell. And talking about the implementation part, this is the HTML structure. Just a minute. Okay, this is the HTML structure. I have created a container division which holds the 3 into 3 grid of the cells, and then each cell is represented by div with its unit ID, and there is a reset button. It's included below the grid. So this is the reset button. Uh, yes, this is the reset button. Talking about the styling part, the container and the cells are styled to create this grid layout, and hover effect. No, I haven't used hover effect, but you can use it for hover effect and highlighting for winning the seals for winning cells. And yes, this is the JavaScript file. This is the but this is the use of button. This is I have here taken the ID for the buttons, all the 9 buttons, and this is the winning condition. The else if condition for winning condition, and yes, this is the whole logic of this game. A function checks for winning condition after each move, and the game starts is state is updated and display is pressed based on the current state. And I'm running this game. I'm resetting this one, and I'm playing as a player one as well as a player X and a player O. Firstly, I click as a X, then O, X, then O. Nice. As you can see, player X has won the game, and I'm again resetting the game. And you can already see you can also see that the color of the symbol, the X symbol, has changed to red. I'm clicking on this reset button, and I'm again playing. And okay, and at last I have won the game. I'm again resetting, and this time player O has won. And I'm going to the draw part. Firstly, I'm drawing this game. And it is clearly stated that match has been tied. So this match tied. I'm again refreshing it. So yes, this project is a great way to practice web development, fundamental web development skills, including HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for all logic of this game. It also demonstrates how to build interactive and dynamic web applications. So yes, thank you so much for your time and consideration. You can use it to further strengthen your JavaScript as well as your front end knowledge. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.